So first you have to click the start button, then you have to click PowerPoint, and if you don't have these options, you can type. Wait. It will come. Blank presentation. Click on this. Then this is title bar. Here you will get undo option, redo option, and this is also an option to start a presentation, to start slideshow. And here your title will be there. This is an option to search in your PowerPoint. And this is option to search in your PowerPoint. Then this is minimize button. This is maximize button. You have options also. See like this. Then this is close button. Then this is ribbon bar. In the ribbon bar, we also have tabs. So let's see. This is file tab. Here you will get new option to open new presentation, like to open new blank slide. Then this is open. Here, if you will click this, you can open your presentation that you have made already. This is save option, please. And this is print option. You can print whichever presentation you have made. Then this is share option. You can share the presentation you want, and this is close option. In home tab, you have clipboard group. In clipboard group, you have cut option, copy option, format painter, and paste option. In slides group, you have new slide option to make new slides, and you have layout option, recent option, and section option. And in font group, you can um, change color. You can highlight to everything to the text. So let's wait. So for example, this is the text, and if you want to change the handwriting theme, so first select and then go here and you can change the theme. And if you want to increase the size or decrease, like this. And if you want to increase more than the limit, like this you can do, and decrease also. If you want to bold, you can click on this. If you can do italic, you can underline it, you can put shadow in it, you can strike also, you can create space also between, or put it very tight also, and space also. This is option to highlight, and this is to give the text color, like this. Then here the and this is the option to erase everything. Like see, so you click, so everything is khanda kata. Then this is paragraph group. Here you can put bullets, you can put numbering, then you can adjust it in left side, center, and right side. These are alignments. Okay. Then in bullets option, you have options like these, and you can customize your own bullets also here. Then in drawing group, you will get the shapes, then arrange, then quick styles, and shape fill, shape outline, and shape effects. These will help to edit, these will help to give font to the shapes. Then this is editing group. This is find. Find will help to find if you want to find any word that in one paragraph or in essay if you want to find you can help it helps on this, and then if you want to replace any word you can replace it, and if you want to select this is already selected. Next is insert tab. In slides group, this is also an option to create new slide, and this is also an option in insert tab. In tables group you can create it. This is tables group, and this is images group. You can insert pictures, photo album to Then this is illustrations group, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart chart. Then this is then this is text में you can see text box header and footer, word art, then date and time, slide, number, object, and then in symbols you can see equation symbol, and then in media you can see video and audio. These are the commands in which for which you can insert, like for which you can create presentation. Then we have a draw tab. You can draw anything with this. You can make a straight line with ruler also here. Then we have design tab. In design tab, you can put backgrounds to in the presentation like this. Then you can make format your own background also. This is transitions tab. Here you can put transitions like this. Then this is animations tab. Here you can put animation like this. Then this is slideshow group. Here also you can here also you can show the presentation from starting. This is also an option, and then this is also an option. This is record tab. You can record anything from it. This is review tab. Review is to check spellings, errors, or to check font, or the search is for that. Then this is view. It helps us to zoom, reading view, or normal view for presentation. And this is help. If you're stuck somewhere, it will help you in your presentation. So these are the tabs, and this is ribbon bar. Then these are the slides. Then this is a blank page where you put title, pictures, and make a presentation. Then this is a status bar. Here you can check spellings. This if it's wrong, if it has wrong like cross sign, so then means your spelling is wrong. See, this is wrong. And if it has a correct sign, means your spelling is correct. And here we are only on the first page, that's why it's one of three. And then we are in second page, so second of three like that. Then here, this is the notes command. Here you can give any notes like this. Then this is normal view. Then this is slide short sorter. So you can see the slides in short. This is book reading view, book view. Like it shows us like book like this. And then this is slideshow. You know this. Then this is zoom in, zoom out. So if you do like this, it is fully zoom out, and if you do like this, you can increase also. So it's like this. And here also you can change your zoom. If you want to zoom, you can put here also or 200. Let's go. So okay. So this is also an option. Okay. So in this session, I have introduced to PowerPoint. In next session, we will learn everything in detail. So hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.